Let's look at how to solve fractions involving mixed numbers. The first thing we're going to do is take the mixed numbers and turn them back into improper fractions. So 5 1/5, to turn that back into an improper fraction, we'll do the denominator times the whole number. So 5 times 5 is 25 plus the number on top. So that gives me 26 over 5 divided by, and then this into an improper fraction. So 6 times 6 plus 1 is 37 over 6. And this is equal to S over, and then turn 7 1/2 back into an improper fraction. So 7 times 7 is 49 plus 1. This is 50 over 7. From here you can do some cross multiplication. You can try to divide this first if you want, but what this looks like, if we do cross products, so multiplying across each fraction, we would have 26 over 5 times 50 over 7, and this is equal to this numerator. So I'm going to write S over 1 times the denominator of the first fraction, 37 over 6. Now I'm going to simplify my fractions before I multiply. So if I divide the denominator and numerator both by 5, this becomes 1 and a 10. So I'm going to do that first. And then I'm going to multiply. 26 times 10 is 260 over 7. And over on the right side, I have S times 37, so 37S over 6. So now I have these two fractions that are equal to each other. And then to solve, again, I can cross multiply. Because these things are proportions or ratios, that is, one fraction equals another fraction. So I'm going to do 6 times 260 is equal to 7 times 37S. Now, I don't have a calculator with me right now, so I am going to have to do this by hand. I have 260 times 6, so 6 times 0 is 6, 6 times 6 is 36, 6 times 2 is 12, 13, 14, 15. This is 1560 is equal to 7 times 37. So I have a 9, bring up a 4, 7 times 3 is 21, 259. And we would see if 1560 and 259 are divisible by both the same number, because we're going to have to divide both sides by 259 to get S all by itself. So I have 1560 over 259 is equal to S, and we need to see if both of these are divisible by any particular number. So I know they're not both divisible by 3 because they're not both even numbers. By 2, sorry. If they're divisible by 3, we'll just add up each of the digits. So 1 plus 5 plus 6 is 12. This top number is divisible by 3 because when you add up all of the numbers, it's divisible by 3. And 2 and 5 and 9 is 16. 16 is not a number that's divisible by 3. So I know those numbers aren't divisible by 3. The bottom number is not divisible by 3. So 4 won't work, 5 won't work, 6 won't work because the numbers aren't divisible by 2. 7, I don't think will work either. 8, 9, 10 won't work. So I think this might be as simplified as it can get.